Today we're going to talk about 45, 45, 90 triangles. A key thing to remember is that each of the 45s is equal to 1. So the first 45 will be 1, the second 45 will also be 1, and then the 90 will be square root of 2. Remember, this is used for finding the side lengths of an isosceles right angle triangle. Now, using what we learned earlier, remember that the angles and the number from earlier will be opposite from each other. So this 45 will be a 1 on this side. This 45 will be a 1 on this side. And then this 90 will be a square root of 2.
Problem number 1. Our goal today is to find x, which is known as the hypotenuse. And as we know, for a 45, 90 triangle, its opposites are equal to 1, 1, and 90 to square root of 2. For these type of problems, we are going to use a proportion, and I'm going to show you how. First, you use the 4, and as you see, it goes with 1. So, you do 4 over 1 equals 2x over the square root of 2, since they go together. And for this, you cross multiply, and that equals x equaling to 4 to the square root of 2, and this is your number that you finish with.
This is example problem number 2, and we are going to find x. As you can see, this is a square, so we are going to divide it in half, and it is a right triangle. This is 90 degrees, this is 45, and this is 45. As you heard earlier, across from 45 is 1, across from 45 is 1, and across from 90 is extra 2. But here's another way you can find x. Across from 45 is just x, and then across from 90 is x root 2. So the hypotenuse 8 equals x root 2. So you would do 8 equals x root 2. And to find x, you would have to divide root 2 divided by 8. And that will leave you with 8 over root 2. To get the answer of x, you have to multiply each side of the fraction by root 2. And that will get you 8 root 2 divided by root 4. And this root 4 would simplify to 2. And then you would divide 8 by 2 to get 4 root 2, and that is x.